As a result of the conviction of the Trump Organization on December 6 for participating in a 15-year conspiracy to deceive the tax office, former President Donald Trump's legal woes have been further compounded. According to Reuters, a grand jury ruling considered all of the charges against the Trump Organization and could result in a fine of up to $1.6 million for the corporation. The Trump Organization is responsible for the operation of hotels, golf courses, and other real estate all over the world. A criminal tax fraud conviction has reportedly been handed down against the Trump Organization by a grand jury in the state of New York, as reported by The Guardian. In spite of the fact that Mr. Trump was not physically present in court, the prosecutors argued that he was fully aware of the scheme. In it, they assert that business executives have enriched themselves with off-the-books incentives to compensate for lower compensation, which has resulted in the corporation having a smaller tax liability. According to The Guardian, this decision hits Mr. Trump and his family a significant blow. It is also the most recent event in a string of legal problems that have plagued former President Trump. These problems include a number of investigations relating to efforts to overturn the election for 2020 and the transfer of sensitive materials. The feelings of the White House toward the Mar-a-Lago resort, which is located in Florida. 7 witnesses testified during the course of the month-long trial, including Allen Weisselberg, who had been CFO for many years. In comments made to the media, a lawyer for the Trump Organization named Alan Futerfas stated that the business would file an appeal. The corporation has entered a plea of not guilty. In relation to these allegations, Trump himself has not been charged. Even if this fine is not thought to be significant for a corporation of the magnitude of the Trump Organization, it nevertheless has the potential to damage their business, which may raise concerns among their lenders and business partners. After the verdict was handed down, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, who had been present during the proceedings, stated, "The former president's firm is now found guilty." According to Mr. Bragg, this is a case that involves lying as well as fraud, forgery, and ultimately tax evasion. Mr. Trump has referred to the probe into the Trump Organization as a witch hunt, claiming that it is driven by political motivations.